Okay, so we have a barrel from Anderson Manufacturing. It's a 16-inch mid-length. It's nitride treated with a government contour. Has half by 20 threads. It is dimpled for a gas block. It has a 5.56 NATO chamber with a 1/7 twist, and the gas port measure is 0.081 inches. We'll take a quick look through the borescope and then head to the range. Okay, here we are coming up from the chamber and into the throat. And the throat looks a bit uneven. You can see the rifling starts in different spots. And here's some tool marks in the bore. That's a good shot there. And here's another good spot with some tool marks. And here's a crown. It's hard to tell in the video, but the crown, or the chamfer on the crown, looks to be a bit uneven. It's really light on one side and a bit deeper on the other side. But anyway, let's head to the range and see how it shoots. Alright, so not a good start with the 55 grain Hornadies. Next up, we're going to try 69 grain Sierra Match Kings. Well, this looks a lot better, but certainly still room for improvement. Next up, we'll try some 77 grain Sierra Match Kings. Okay, not great performance out of the 77 grain SMKs either. So I basically bought this barrel as a goof. It was on sale for 50 bucks. I just want to see how good it could shoot or not. I didn't have high expectations for it, but I did expect it to do a little bit better than this. The 69 grain SMK shot the best with a halfway decent group, but still a pretty bad group for how expensive those bullets are. And the 55 shot really bad. I have a few more barrels. My next video will probably be on a Faxon or Roscoe barrel, so stay tuned for that one. I'll probably drop in about a week or so. Later.